So today I'm going to show you how to install this upgraded gear lever from Malcolm Engineering. It's an Australian company. Port Macquarie, I think they are based now. So what we're going to do is firstly check out the quality. And then we're going to move on over to the vehicle and set her in, see what she looks like. So what you're going to want to do firstly is remove, mine just happens to be split in two pieces, so one's fairly easy to remove. Yours may differ. So there's going to be two 13mm bolts. I've had this off before recently, so mine wasn't that stubborn to take off, but ones that have been on for a while probably a bit stubborn. I'm going to go ahead and undo them. So what you're going to want to do next is put the rubber back on once you've removed the old gear lever. This is going to need to be cut around this, so get everything nicely centered, make sure the bolt hole lines up, and then you should be able to trace it in place and then cut it out and do the install. So make sure your holes line up before you mark out this area where you need to cut, and then you should be ready to pull this out again and take it over and cut it out. So what you also get is a spacer which will go underneath, which brings it flush with the rest of the floor pan. We've got two bolts which are longer than the old bolts. So this is the old one, the old spring. What I recommend doing is getting some grease and apply some grease to the hole. Now I'm just going to put it in place and see how everything lines up. let's just have a look at the upgrade. So you probably do recall the old lever. It's always right near the handbrake, and go and try find first gear, you're constantly hitting on here, and it's never easy to get it into first, so to speak. So what this does, it brings it away from the handbrake, apart from the quality and the style, the mechanism works a lot better. You're not just on a tension spring as this one is. You've got probably a bearing in there. You've got this, I would say, 26 millimeter shaft, goes down to probably 19 millimeters maybe. Got this awesome knob with a nice etched gear pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt it in and show you how it works. Okay, once you got it bolted in, firmly fits in place. Bolts are a little bit hard to start off. They're all in, easy enough. I'm going to go and select first. Oh my goodness. Second, third, fourth. Check out reverse. Oh my god, the difference is astronomical. That just feels like, I don't know, it feels like a modern day, I'm gonna say truck. It is solid. It's just changed the whole system. Wow, and look at that, no play, nothing. If you like this video, go and buy yourself a Malcolm Engineering gear lever. Once again, malcomengineering.com.au. I've actually bought other things off him. I'll show you a quick little. He also sells the, can't really see it, so this whole mechanism on the door, he's engineered it, and this just swings so good, closes so good. And there's a rare update of the catch for this as well. So just clip, pull the lever, and there you go. That's definitely worth looking at as well. Check out his website. This is my Kombi. Been working on it for about, well, let's say a year and a half in my hands, and 4 years in the paint shop. That absolutely ruined it. Anyhow, if you want an upgrade to make the drivability feel so much better, I'm not just saying that, I've got no sponsorship with this bloke or anything, that is just next level, and it feels so comfortable. It's right there, you're not reaching for anything, you're not struggling to get it in gear. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Have a look at my other vids on my channel, subscribe and like, it all helps out.